Alright, AW Brawler, accompanied online by KODAH once again, decided to hunt the Kopeko, or the rubber chicken as he likes to call him. Of course, this is a plus match. I've never fought him in a plus match. I may die. I'm warning you ahead of time. And of course, KODAH and I start off separated. Since there's two of us, I'll only get two of each thing in case he needs them. Onward to victory. I should tell him I might die here. Now, he mentioned something about a devil joke. I've never seen this monster. If I scream like a little girl, forgive me. Can't help but feel like I'm missing out on the action. Alright, there's the rubber chicken. He already has him drooling. Wow. KODAH doesn't play around. Just for the record, I main with a long sword. I'm only using this water sword because I'm trying to protect him. And it's pretty strong against him. That sword is made from Royal Ladrath. It's like maxed almost as high as it can go, I think. He's not so tough. I played the first plus monster yesterday, which is a Joggy, and embarrassingly, he almost beat me with all of his armor. I should tell KODAH. But I won. He's trying to soften the blow by telling me they're way harder. He's still a jockey. No one wants to get beat by a great jockey. He's like, I wouldn't say he's the Magikarp of the Monster Hunter round, but he's pretty wimpy. Excuse me while I adjust for your viewing pleasure. There we go. Normally there's little cat thieves right here who steal all your items. I'm glad they're gone. And we're back with the rubber chicken. Wow, KODAH is a reckless fighter, as you can see. He just sent me flying with that hammer of his. And he did it again. At least I'm not taking any damage, and I accidentally leave the area. Wow. Even on video games, I'm clumsy, huh? Alright. We're gonna have to lure him out that corner. Reminds me a bit of Final Fantasies. Only the monsters of corner fight you on here. And if you're a viewer who don't know much about Final Fantasy, well, you might want to look at Game Watch. I think I gave you a thorough explanation. There's a part 2 coming out, by the way, PC. So I wonder, does this count as like a mini podcast? Mini video cast? The Summer Bang on the Easter Range. I like the way that sounds. Oh, wow. That's the most damage that the chicken has ever done to me since I've played this game. Oh, at least now I know what I'm dealing with. I know not to get hit. Alright. My masterful dodging techniques. Everybody is an Abel. Or Cain for that matter.